Hello students, welcome to Soft Skills classes. Today we'll be solving the Electronics and Communication Engineering GATE exam paper of year 2018. Today we'll be solving the engineering mathematics portion. Let's start off with question number 8. In question number 8, we've been given that the position of a particle yt is described by the differential equation d square y upon dt square is equal to minus dy dt minus 5y by 4. Now the initial conditions are that y of 0 is equal to 1 and dy dt as t equal to 0 is equal to 0. These are the two initial conditions. So now we need to find out the position accurate to two decimal places of the particle at t equal to pi. This is what we need to find out. Now we have been given that d square y by dt square is equal to minus dy dt minus 5y by 4. This we can write as d square y by dt square plus dy dt plus 5y by 4 is equal to 0. This is what we can write. And now using Laplace transform, we can write that s square y of s minus sy of 0 plus sys minus y of 0 plus 5 by 4 y of s is equal to 0. This is what we have got so far. And if we simplify it further, if we take y as common, then this will give us s square plus s plus 5 by 4 into y of s, and if we take y 0 common, then this will give us minus of s plus 1 into y of 0 is equal to 0. Now we know that y of 0 is equal to 1. So basically we can write this as s square plus s plus 5 by 4 into y by s minus s plus 1 into 1 is equal to 0. So now we can write that y of s is equal to s plus 1 upon s square plus s plus 5 by 4, and this we can write as s plus 1 upon s plus 1 by 2 whole square plus of 1. This is what we got so far. Now I'll insert a new page over here. So that will imply that y of s is equal to, we'll break down the s plus 1 into two parts. One part will be s plus 1 by 2 into s plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 1, and the other part will be half upon s plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 1. So that will this is y of s. So L inverse of y of s will give us y of t, which will be equal to e to the power minus t by 2 into cos of t plus half of sin t. So at t equal to pi, y of pi will be equal to e to the power minus pi by 2 cos of pi plus half sine of pi, which will be equal to e to the power minus pi by 2, since cos pi will be equal to minus 1. So this will be equal to e to the power minus pi by 2, which will be equal to 0.2078, which if we take to two decimal places will be equal to 0.21. So as you can see, we have solved question number 8 today from the engineering mathematics portion of EC GATE exam paper of year 2018. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Soft Skills classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.